Well, sir, there's the compressor. It was a bitch to get out. I'm gonna give y'all a quick update. This old pawpaw here. I unplugged the two fans and took a bolt out right here and one right there, and it slipped out the two fans. And what I had to do, I couldn't get to that other bolt though. Yonder, that hose was in the way. So I just cut that damn hose out. And the bottom of the expansion valve hose, the bottom hose is right there. Here's where the compressor did plug in. So now we got that screw there and that screw there and another one over here somewhere. I put that new gizmo that I ordered on there and get the piece of crap back in action. This has been Paw Paw signing out.